I'm here to interview one of the students who's experiencing having multiple partners. So to hide her identity, I'm gonna call her Toby. Toby. So Toby, how many partners you have?
Two partners.
Two. Why did you choose to have two partners at the same time?
Kasi parehas ko silang gusto at hindi pa rin ako makapili sa kanilang dalawa.
So what are the disadvantages of having two partners at the same time?
Mahirap magtago, kailangan palaging private, hindi pagala sa mall kasi baka magkaalam.
What are the advantages of having two partners at the same time?
Dalawang nagmamahal sa'yo, dalawang nag-care, at doble yung saya kapag wala yung isa, may isa ka pa din.
How does it feel?
Isa,
Don't you feel guilty?
syempre, minsan nagigilty din.
Why?
Kasi minsan nasasaktan mo yung isa na hindi mo alam.
You regret it or
No.
did your partners already found out what you did or what you are doing?
Not yet.
Do you have any plans on telling the truth?
Not yet.
Why?
Kasi medyo napapamahal na ako sa kanilang dalawa at hindi pa rin ako makapili hanggang ngayon sa kanilang dalawa.
So, here, thank you for sharing that. Bye!
I am not in favor of multiple partners because man and woman is committed under minds and hearts with a promise to love and respect each other. Therefore, each of them must be responsible and certify in their pledge of loyalty. And I believe that we are lived to have only one partner in life.
I'm not in favor of having multiple partners because it will only cause complications to good relationships. Affected ones will surely be hurt and might lead to unwanted bad situations. It is also against our moral values, and as Christians, we must follow what God has written in His commandments.
For me, having multiple partners is morally wrong. It is not only a sin to the eyes of the people, but also to the eyes of God. I believe that when you love someone, you should love them wholeheartedly, respect and be loyal.